So today had to have been the worst day of my life. The other day I sold my truck to get ready for the rapture. Then last night, I gave away everything that was in my savings account. I woke up this morning and I was still here. I was severely disappointed and devastated. Then I had to fucking Uber to fucking work. I've been at my job for 25 years and I have never in my life been late. It's the first time I've ever been late in my life to work. And my boss asked me, "Why are you late?" And I had to explain to him that I no longer had my truck, that I sold it. And he asked me, what was the reason? Why would you sell your truck? And I had to tell him that I sold it because I thought I was going to be taken up in the rapture today, and I had to come to fucking work. He fucking laughed at me and told me I got some overtime for you. This life fucking sucks.
I don't know what to do. I woke up this morning and everyone is still here. I donated. I sold my car. I gave away my favorite Funko Pop. Everything's gone. I guess I've heard that it could still be today, but I'm starting to worry. I don't even know what to do at this point. I gave my house away. I gave away my savings. I gave away everything because the rapture was supposed to happen. All I have is literally this trash bag that is everything I own. Besides this car, I have nothing. I don't even have a job because I quit. What am I supposed to do now? Where am I gonna sleep? I can't just sleep in my car forever. I'm never gonna be able to buy a house. They won't give me my house back. They told me I could park my car in the driveway and sleep in the driveway. They literally have everything of mine. Everything. And they don't even want me to be there. It's my house. I know it's theirs. I gave it to them. I get it, okay? But the rapture didn't happen, so doesn't that make it all null and void? I don't know what I'm supposed to do.